Welcome back to AutoMaster, your trusted destination for luxury and performance on wheels. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Fleetwood Discovery LXE, one of the most prestigious and advanced diesel motorhomes in the American RV scene. Known for its remarkable combination of elegance, power, and cutting-edge features, the Discovery LXE continues to set the benchmark for full-time RV living and premium road travel. The 2025 Fleetwood Discovery LXE is not just a motorhome, it's a five-star hotel on wheels. Built on the robust Freightliner XCM chassis, this luxury diesel pusher is designed to provide superior ride quality, unbeatable stability, and exceptional storage capacity. It stretches between 38 to 44 feet, depending on the chosen floor plan, and offers enough living space to make any long-haul journey feel like a relaxing vacation. With a gross vehicle weight rating of up to 44,700 pounds, it's clear this isn't your average motorhome, it's a mobile mansion. From the outside, the 2025 Discovery LXE demands attention. The full-body premium paint options, including silver mist with black and charcoal accents, give it a bold, refined look that stands out in any RV park or showroom. The frameless windows, LED accent lighting, integrated awnings, and 22.5-inch aluminum wheels all contribute to its sleek and powerful presence. The high-end construction includes a vacuum-bonded aluminum frame with fiberglass walls and roof, designed to withstand all types of weather while maintaining luxury inside and out. Inside, the Discovery LXE transforms into a luxury residence. Premium hardwood cabinetry, polished porcelain tile floors, and contemporary design themes like Summit Gray and Ridgecrest create an upscale, homey environment. Each layout features multiple slide-outs that expand the interior space dramatically, giving you room to relax and entertain in style. The living area includes a plush reclining sofa, electric fireplace, and a large LED smart TV. The kitchen rivals that of many upscale homes, offering solid surface countertops, a residential refrigerator, induction cooktop, stainless steel convection microwave, and a dishwasher for added convenience. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Discovery LXE doesn't disappoint. Powered by a Cummins L9 380 HP diesel engine with 1150 lb-ft of torque, this motorhome delivers impressive towing capacity and reliable long-distance cruising. The Allison 3000 mh 6-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth shifting and optimized fuel efficiency. The air-ride suspension and V-ride rear suspension system enhance stability and make the driving experience as comfortable as riding in a luxury SUV. Tech-wise, Fleetwood has equipped the Discovery LXE with all the essentials. There's a 10.2-inch digital dash, touchscreen control panel, 360-degree camera system, mobile app controls, and even solar panel prep. The AquaHot 400D hydronic heating system offers endless hot water and even heat distribution, while the stackable washer/dryer and spacious master suite with king-size bed, full wardrobe, and spa-like bath round out the living experience. Pricing for the 2025 Fleetwood Discovery LXE starts around $445,000 and can climb based on options and floor plans. While the price is premium, so is everything you're getting, from construction quality and tech features to residential comfort and class-leading power. For RV lovers seeking the ultimate combination of elegance, performance, and reliability, the 2025 Discovery LXE is a top-tier choice. It's not just about getting to the destination, it's about enjoying every mile of the journey in absolute luxury. Thanks for watching AutoMaster. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of premium automobiles and RVs.